Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Audi R8. This two-door convertible has a 10-cylinder, 5.2-liter V10 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Audi is a great value with less than 16,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, anti-lock brakes, stability control, traction control, MP3 player, navigation system, Sirius satellite radio, Bluetooth, power windows, and power door locks.